The chart of accounts is the hub for all of your accounting in QuickBooks. You can access the chart of accounts by clicking Accounting from the nav bar on the left. Every posting transaction that you enter into QuickBooks affects the chart of accounts. For example, let's say our business takes out a small business loan. Whenever we make the deposit into our bank account, the first account to be affected will be the checking account, because it is going to be increased by the amount of the deposit of the small business loan. The other account that will be impacted is a small business loan liability account that we have set up right here. Let's enter that transaction in QuickBooks by opening the Create menu and then selecting Bank Deposit. We're going to deposit the small business loan into our checking account, so that's the first account selected up here at the top of the screen. Down here at the bottom, let's enter the loan details. First, we received the money from the bank that gave us the loan. Then in the account area right here, we'll enter the small business loan liability account that we already have set up on our chart of accounts. Here in the description field, we can enter any other details such as the loan number or our account number with the bank. And if there was a check involved, we can also record the payment method as a check along with the check number in the reference number field. And finally, we'll enter the amount of the loan right here. Our checking account is going to go up by this amount, and so is our liability account. Our small business loan is for $15,000. Now let's save and close. Through the entry of that transaction, we can see that the checking account is increased by $15,000, and scrolling down, the small business loan liability account has also increased by $15,000. Because the chart of accounts is used to categorize all of your financial transactions, it makes sense that you could also assess how your business is doing by looking at the chart of accounts. But the chart of accounts can often be difficult to read, and that's why accountants have devised different financial statements, like the balance sheet and the profit and loss statement, which take information from the chart of accounts and put it in a more readable format.